In this video, I'll show you how to outline a book with Claude AI step by step. This is a simple way to organize your ideas before you start writing. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a book outline. For example, I might type, "Create a chapter-by-chapter outline for a self-help book about building better habits." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a book outline, usually broken into chapters or main sections based on the topic I gave it. If I want a more detailed outline, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the book genre, target audience, or key themes. For example, I might type, "Create a detailed outline for a beginner-friendly fantasy novel with a young hero and a hidden magical world." Claude can also help me build the outline further by adding chapter summaries, character ideas, plot points, or key takeaways. If I want to improve the outline, I can ask follow-up questions like, "Expand chapter 3, or add subheadings for each chapter." Once the outline looks good, I can copy it and use it as the structure for writing my book. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to outline a book. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.